So we're doing the ICP sensor. That's the Insane Clown Posse sensor. I don't know why they call it ICP. It just sounds funny. Anyway, injection control pressure sensor. So these things just they go bad like all the time. I don't know. They're like $100 from O'Reilly's and like probably $200 from Ford or something. But they're like $16 to $17 on Amazon. This one lasted. I got it in February this year, and here it is. November. So I don't know what caused it to go. It didn't show any signs of leaking really. So I contacted the seller and I ordered another one, and then at the same time they both showed up today. So do yourself a favor and disconnect your battery. Don't do like I did and arc out your wrench. Take a chunk out of this. Nice proto wrench, right? Anyway, so back in here is the Insane Clown Posse sensor. And you can see right there where I made contact with the juggalo. I mean the nut on the back of the alternator. So here's the old one. And you can see some arc marks. The old one has these little notches that you'll see right there. The one I received didn't have that, but this is what's in the picture. I don't know if maybe they upgraded to them, which is something new, but anyway. And the O-ring tried to back out with it as I unthreaded it. So the new one goes in here, and it's a pain in the ass. You're going to need a 27 millimeter or a wrench, and you may even end up needing to move your alternator or your charge pipe. Then you have the engine lift bracket. But anyway, we cleaned our pigtail with carb cleaner. Got it in there. So let's take a look and make sure we're not leaking. I get down in here. Looks good, but anyway, so this one is slightly different than the other one. We also found some wires here that were exposed. And we're also, after we did all the turbo stuff, we're actually, well, we're leaking from somewhere and we don't know where. But I think it's, looking right here, I think it's this fuel filter housing. So we look pretty clean over here where we replaced the hydraulic line. So anyway, so we got the ICP. But it is not like not having a glow plug. Fires right up.